Hey guys, and welcome to Time with Temi, where every week you get to spend a little bit of time with me in the minutes that is my brain. So today I'm coming at you guys with another at-home photo shoot, which is inspired by so many creative and amazing black content creators and black creatives. So as we do on this channel, we want to make sure that we're uplifting, investing, spending time engaging with black creatives, and they are really my inspiration for this photo shoot today. But before we do get into this video, make sure you hit the bell notification and subscribe so you know every single time that I post. So as you know, I've been doing this whole at-home photo shoot for a minute now, and I've really been having a lot of time just sort of delving into my creativity. And you know I'm very obsessed with Kimberly. If you don't know her work, look at it now. All of the work that she's done kind of created my whole series of me doing at-home photo shoots, because that's exactly what she does. And I'm recreating one of her recreations. I don't know the original person's name who did this, but I remember when I saw it, she called them like butterfly braids. I'll insert the video here. They're so pretty, and I was like, yo, this is so creative. If I could find a way that I could do that too, come on now, that would be amazing. And then I saw that Kimberly had done it, and then she did her own spin on it, and I was like, okay, I want to do it and maybe add like a little bit of my own spin to it. And here we are now. So today I'm just going to take you through the process of me making all the individual pieces to get this whole look together, because I've also started to go back to work, so finding the time to do this all in one day has been really difficult because I've been quite busy the past few weeks. So you're going to see all the steps I did to sort of create everything I did for this look, the makeup look, using the butterflies, how I took the pictures, and then you can finally see the end result. So all you're going to need for this look is 3D artificial butterflies and pipe cleaners, you know, the ones that we used to use in primary school. Both of these together cost me about £8, so like if you're trying to be a brocade like me, you can do it. The most tedious part of this is really tying together the pipe cleaners to make some sort of crown or headband that can fit the size of your head. That's the most crucial part, because I wanted to give it a more 3D like element to what was going on. And then luckily with the butterflies, they've got like a metal attachment to it, and all I have to do for that is wrap that metal attachment around the headband that I created with the pipe cleaners to give it a cool edgy 3D like effect, to give me like a little butterfly crown.
Job now, so guys, I'm about to be working, okay? I'm trying out here, okay? I'm getting a new lawyer, I'm getting a new agent, I'm getting a new manager, but like I want to do series now, because like videos not going to be on the series Sunday.
At least up to like,
if I'm doing the series, it's going to be every Sunday,
and
and
the
other video of the week is going to be something different.
Alright.
Like
Alright.
Damn insects.
Oh shoot.
If you want to give up, you.
Oh shoot, I'm so proud of myself.
That's the color we're looking for in our harmony.
That looks kind of good.
Your song isn't even about wax stuff.
Then as you can see here, just my finished butterfly crown look, looking all cute or whatever on a tiny little wig head. This has just made me realize how big my head is. Continuing to support black creatives, you're going to use the Eyelure Jordan Woods collection, and I believe, yep, Beach Please for the eyelash extensions. Now there's a makeup artist called Ragged Royal who created and started this colourful lash trend or lash extension trend, where she just used lipstick to sort of do like a base glue or coat or something on the lashes, and then get your eyeshadow of choice, eyeshadow colour of choice even, just to put like the colour that you want over it, because the lipstick is what's going to make it stick. The lipstick is what's going to make it tacky. And she has her own collection, but you know me, I missed the restock. I didn't get it, and so I had to go back to the old-fashioned ways of how she did it and how she was hustling to do it in the first place. So yeah, didn't have an orange lipstick though, but we went for an orange lash, and we used the Makeup Revolution Tammi Clarke collection with a Tropical Paradise palette and the little orange there to make this cute sort of orange lash that looks really crap on camera. Guys, please ignore the fact about how badly I've stuck on. Help. Help. Help! I'm not a beauty guru. But anyways, that is all that I have for you guys today. If you want to find any of the inspirations to my photo shoot and do it yourself, or try and do anything like it at home, all of their links will be in the description box below, as well as the links for all of the things I used for my makeup, for my hair, all of that, description box below, so you can do it yourself at home. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give me a big thumbs up so I know that I'm making content that you enjoy. Share it with all of your friends. Just spread that love, that happy energy. We love to see that at TimewithTemi, we really do. Make sure you follow all of my social media links. They will be in the description box below. That's my Instagram, my Twitter, my Pinterest, all of that. You can find it there. I enjoyed the time we got to spend with you. I hope you enjoyed the time we got to spend with me, and I'll see you next time. Bye.